Hello, welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle. This one was created by Louis Quien in 1877. See that black has the king and a pair of bishops. White has the king, pair of rooks, queen, pawn, and a bishop. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in two? Taking the bishop on b6 with the queen isn't a mate in two, but it is the only mate in three. If black moves the bishop to d5, you can actually checkmate with the pawn. But the bishop can move to e6, and then when the queen takes, the king has an escape square. Then you can only mate in three by moving the queen to e3. Checking the king with the queen to e4 move doesn't actually get you a mate in two, it's only a mate in five. Black can keep escaping with the king, you can block with the bishop, and finally the queen can chase the king all the way into the corner just for the mate in five. Sacking the rook by moving it to d5 doesn't get you a mate in two, but gets you a mate in four. The bishop takes back the rook. You can take the other bishop with the queen. That can move their bishop away, and you can check with the queen, but the king has an escape square. Then finally, you can mate in four with the rook. Taking the bishop on c4 with the rook is another mate in four. The king takes the other rook. You can then take the bishop with the queen, and you can eventually chase the king to the 8th rank, pinning it against the side for the mate in four. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in two for white, you need to move the queen to c1. Black takes the rook with their bishop, you can then move the queen to f4 to checkmate in two. If black decides to take the rook on f6 with the king, you can then move the queen to g5 to checkmate in two. And if black decides to take the rook on d4 with the king, you can move the queen to e3 to checkmate in two. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.